If you're inside, make yourself known. Hey, Raleigh, can you just hold the channel real quick? Hey, come on out with your hands up. Okay, all right, just come on out. You got a firearm in your hand? Yeah. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Okay, come on out here. Come on out here. Just come on out for me.
What you mean, come on?
Just come on out of the house, please.
I got on my drawers.
Come on out of the house, okay?
I gotta record this shit. Y'all crazy as hell. Hold on.
Turn around. Turn around. Put your hand behind your back.
Turn around for what?
Put your hand behind your back and get down on your knees.
For what?
Turn around, put your hand behind your back and get down on your knees.
For what?
Turn around and face away from me.
I got on drawers. You gotta call your supervisor.
They're on the way. Just put your hands behind your
what?
back. Got 4-4 alarm here. I got open door. I'm trying to make sure.
I just talked to the alarm people.
Okay.
I just talked to the alarm people.
We'll sort that out, okay? Now just put your hands behind your back.
Yo. This shit is crazy.
Okay, just have a seat right here, okay? Just have a seat. Then you guys can run 1040. Just have a seat. What is your name?
My name is Kazoon.
Okay. Do you live here?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have an ID?
Yep.
So like I said, I got a call here for a 4-4 alarm, right? So I come here, the door's unlocked, right? I make announcements, no one answers.
I can't hear you.
Okay, I made several announcements, no one heard me.
Asleep, I can't hear you.
Just listen to me, okay? I made several announcements, right? Okay? So then you come downstairs, you got something in your hand, you tell me it's a firearm.
I'm a club owner. People try to rob me every day.
Right. I get that, okay? Well, I'm giving you orders. Okay, you put the gun down. I'm just trying to figure out whether you're supposed to be here or not, okay?
I got on drawers, bro. What the fuck you mean I'm not supposed to be here?
I understand that, okay? So I'm just trying to figure out who you are, all right? And whether you're supposed to be here or not.
That's not the point, bro.
All right, just have a seat for me, okay?
This shit is the craziest shit ever.
This is my supervisor. This is Sergeant Bracey. Sergeant Bracey, I made several announcements when I first got here. There were no answers, okay? And then about 5 minutes later, I gave another announcement. He said, I'm inside. I gave him commands to come to the front. He came down the stairwell. He had a firearm in his hand.
Of course.
Okay. I told him to drop the firearm. He dropped the firearm.
You can release the channel, right?
I told him to then walk this way and turn around and put his hands behind his back. He didn't want to do that at first.
I'm at home, bro. Y'all killing people these days. I'm at home. I ain't bothered nobody. I stay in the house so I don't have to bother nobody. I'm a business owner. I see somebody coming to my door. Of course I'm gonna come down with a firearm. You talking about come outside, get on your knees, and it's I got neighbors outside.
Have a seat.
What is the problem?
Because we're gonna clear the rest of the house. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Bro, how do y'all come to somebody's house to do this?
Have a seat.
What have I done wrong?
Put him in the car. All right, come on. Let's go.
I haven't done nothing wrong.
Let's go. Step outside.
Bro, I haven't done nothing wrong.
Let's go. Step outside.
Sir?
We're not to grab the gun.
Okay.
I'll be right back. So here's the deal. The burglar alarm's going off. We don't know who he is. The burglar alarm's been going off. He should have already canceled it if he was a homeowner. We're going to clear it, make sure nobody's hurt, and then we'll go from there. We'll ID him and go from there.
Okay.
All right, Alright, here's what we're gonna do. Burglar alarm's been going off for a long time. He should have canceled the alarm if he was a homeowner. He comes down, he won't drop a gun for him, he won't comply with his commands. That's unusual. We're gonna clear the residence, make sure nobody's hurt, make sure he's not a burglar.
Yes, sir.
Tell everybody they need to come on out.
Sergeant Bracy, Beaton, Scooter, we need to come on out.
This is the homeowner.
Okay.
He is saying there's been no break-in,
Okay.
and he does not need us to clear the house.
Okay.
So we're gonna leave.
Okay. So here's the concern. Let me explain to you why I did what I did, sir. The burglar alarm's been going off for quite some time. Okay? In our experience, the homeowner turns off the burglar alarm if they're there. So when we get to a burglar alarm and the door's open, and it's been 15 or so minutes the burglar alarm's been going off, that's very unusual. And it usually means that there's a burglar inside when we contact somebody, especially that somebody has a gun. So at that point, we made the decision to make sure nobody was hurt. Sergeant Battles confirmed that you're the homeowner. So if you want us to leave, we're going to leave. You got any questions?
I'm gonna let you do both, man. That's crazy.